To add footage and also trim our clip here. So I'm going back to stock media. I found an extreme close-up. Let me see if I can find a tracking shot of a car. I'm just going to put tracking shot car and see what comes up. So, man in blue driving. Is it a tracking shot? That's not really a tracking shot. So a tracking shot follows the car. Let's see this one. That one is kind of an outward zoom. I don't know if I would count that as a tracking shot. Maybe instead of thinking that, I'm going to put in here and say outward zoom. So I want each of my shots to be between 3 and 5 seconds. And this little blue bar is a cumulative. So if I go to the beginning of my playhead and I press the space bar, I can count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. You see how that bar moves? And cut it, stop it by pressing space somewhere in between there, 3 to 5. And we're going to hit the little cut. Now I want to get rid of this. I'm going to scroll over it and hit delete. As you're adding footage, it doesn't automatically put your footage where you might want it to be. So if I grab this other aerial shot of the car and try and put it in, notice that it's yellow, and it will ask me if I want to replace it, trim to fit, or insert and push. If I hit trim to fit, it will just fit it in that little space. If I hit insert to push, it'll push things over. And this will come in handy because later on, when we want to put in a title page, you may go to push it in there and we're going to have to insert and push it over. So different options when you're putting in new footage. You want to make sure that each is 3 to 5. We actually want to make it a little bit bigger because we're going to be putting in our transitions which cut into our shots. So, and again, this is cumulative. I use the space bar to start and stop.